signature and scorching hot. We only got 4 tenders. You only got 3 and 4 tenders. Like, y'all could at least did like 5, 6. Just the presentation. Yeah. And then the tenders right here. I ain't gonna lie, tenders smell fucking delicious. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm excited getting right into this. I don't know what sauce I should try first, so shit, I'm gonna try the signature. Look at that. Yep. Fuck that shit out of the bed. Shit. Fuck. Damn. He fresh. But my fire not. I ain't even tried that shit without the sauce. But shit. With the sauce, it's alright. Alright, so do a 7 out of 10. Just 7 out of 10. Now let's try the scorching hot. I don't know what this shit hitting on. Hopefully it ain't like the last one. Cause it was like sweet and then it just started off just getting spicy out of nowhere. We get right into it. Gotta get a nice amount, coat that pig. This shit weak as fuck. That buffalo sauce. Y'all niggas giving niggas buffalo sauce? It ain't bad though. Personally, I should have got honey mustard. But anyway, with the sauce, 8 out of 10. Without the sauce, just 7.5. Shit. Let me know if you tried it.